Just started annual leave yesterday, 4 weeks off work, in which time I will be practicing social distancing and self-isolation, or what I like to call normal everyday life. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put in a new kitchen. The current kitchen I have is the original kitchen from when the house was originally built. The house was built in 1971, so it's almost 50 years old. It has been renovated sometime in the 80s, and it's quite easy to tell. This is the original kitchen. The stove obviously is not. I recently put that one in after the original stove died. The wife wanted a nice big stove, so I lashed out and bought a 900mm stove. Saw the cabinets, bench tops. They'd covered the bench tops sometime in the 80s when they did renovate with a cream coloured laminate. The original colour of the bench top, you can see here, was a real 1970s orange. And they've added slate tiles on the floors, which are going to go because they're not going to go with the look of the kitchen. Got a nice big gap there where I'm putting in a pantry, a little microwave / coffee nook, fridge cavity. The overhead cabinets are going to get replaced with a nice big range hood to match the stove. This extraction fan's going to go. The carpet here in the dining area is going to get ripped up, and it's going to be replaced with tiles when I retile all the kitchen. The other two bench tops I stained. Had to buy an extra piece because I didn't think I'd have enough to do all the bench tops, so I bought one more piece, stained it. I haven't cut it down because that's going to be the Peninsula bench, and I haven't decided how wide it's going to be yet. These are the kitchen cabinets that I bought. Bought a second-hand kitchen off Gumtree. Should be enough there to do the whole lot. Pantries there, drawers. There's the pantry there. So while I'm on annual leave, finish off the front fence. That's what it's going to look like after I put all the cladding on it, and I will paint it as well. That should only take me a few hours to do all of that. Also, while I'm on annual leave, I've had a concrete slab put down, and I'm going to put up a small garden shed to use for storage, for the lawnmower, garden tools, any other bits and pieces that I want out of the main shed, so I can actually do some work. I had that concrete there, had that patch done at the same time I've done the slab. I'm going to clean all that up, try and clean up a bit of this rubbish. As you can see, got a lot of stuff here. If I've got time, I'm going to redo the bathroom as well. That's the new bath there, waiting to go in. I'm not going to video everything, I'm just going to take short videos at the end of each stage. First thing that's got to do, stove's got to come out, then start the demolition of the kitchen, and then start pulling up the old tiles. So I better get into it. End of day one. All the kitchen's out, all the cabinets. Still have the plumbing to fix. And tomorrow, start ripping up the floor tiles.